back to my channel. Today I created this fall makeup look. I hope you guys enjoy how it came out. I really love doing this makeup today. I love the oranges and the burgundies and fall time. I just love fall time. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure you subscribe before you leave. Just click that red button down below. Just click it right now. Just pause and click subscribe. Anyways, let's get on to the video. Off with the NYX micro brow pencil in the shade chocolate and just filling in my brows, and then I go in with the powder from eyeshadow palette, but you could actually use whatever you want. If it's a brow product or eyeshadow, it will work fine. So today we're starting off with some virgin coconut oil. It hydrates your skin so good. I'm gonna put on a little bit of moisturizer. I'm gonna put the Cetaphil Daily Moisturizer, and this one has SPF. There's like no sun here. For primer today, I'm gonna use the Cover FX Mattifying Primer with Anti-Acne Treatment. I'm gonna go ahead and set my eyebrows with the NYX Mascara, Tinted Brow Mascara in the shade Brunnette. We're gonna start off with eyes today. I'm gonna use a Tarte Shape Tape Concealer to conceal my lids just a little bit. The Morphe 350 M palette. I'm gonna start with this one. I don't have that many palettes, and I feel like when I first started doing these makeup videos, I was like on a roll. Like any makeup, any palette that came out, I wanted to get it, and I just wanted to be the first one. And it's like I have so much makeup now because I barely use makeup on a daily basis. Never. Like I don't even wear concealer to school. I just like, it's just I don't have time for it right now, and I have so much makeup just sitting there, and it's just getting old. The point of me rambling about that is that anyone could do any look as long as like the color is similar, or even if you wanted to use different colors but use the same like method or technique, you can make the look possible with whatever palette you have. I'm gonna start off with this shade right here. So I'm starting with that shade, and I'm gonna put that all over my crease. Next, I'm going into a light brown shade and adding that to my crease as well. Next, I'm going into this shade right here and adding it to my crease, and also adding it to my outer V. Next, I'm just cutting my crease just a little bit with some Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. We're gonna go into the shade right here. It's like a shimmery champagne goldish color. It's beautiful. I'm gonna wet my shade with the beige Studio Makeup Setting Spray. Next, I'm going back into this shade right here to darken up the look a little bit and blend everything together. So I got eyeliner done and I put on some mascara. Now I'm gonna add some lashes, and for lashes today I'm gonna use the Ardell Professional Natural Lashes. The lash glue I'm using is the dual lash glue, and I usually like the clear one, but I don't know where it is right now. I have the dark tone. For foundation today, I'm going to use the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow foundation in the shade 204 Natural Buff. We're also going to mix in the Ultra HD foundation, and that is in the shade Y305. For concealer, I'm going to use the NYX HD concealer in the shade CO4 Beige. This is making too yellow. So we're going to mix it with my Tarte Shape Tape Concealer that is definitely very bright in the shade Light Neutral. So I'm gonna make sure I don't have any creases under my eyes. I'm gonna look up and blend, blend, blend. Okay. Such a difference. That's why I love it. For contour, I'm gonna use the Wet n Wild contour palette, and I'm gonna use obviously the contour shade. And this is a Dulce de Leche. I don't know if they came out with any more contour shades, but that's the one I'm using. For bronzer, I'm going to use a Too Faced. I don't even know if this is a bronzer, if it's supposed to be. Oh my goodness, I forgot. Always contour the bottom of my nose because I want to like cut a little bit off right here. And then I just go like on the bone of my nose. But everyone contours their nose different, so you go with whatever shape of nose you have, because everyone wants to contour their nose depending on their nose shape. Sometimes if you have a small nose, you want to contour more out. If you have a fatter nose, you want to make it skinny, you want to contour more in. So it's up to you. For my eyes, I'm going to go back to the first shade I used. That was like an orangey brown shade, and I'm going to put that all through the bottom. Use the Milani Liquid Eye eyeliner pencil on my bottom lash line. For highlight, I'm going to use the Essence Pure Nude Highlighter. It's in the shade 10, Be My Light. All I used for my lips today was a lip pencil. This is from Wet n Wild, and it's called Brandy Wine, and I just lined them up and filled them in. So I'm going to add a gloss. I'm going to add the Buxom lip gloss in Hot Toddy. And that completes this look. Thank you guys so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe before you leave, and I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!